Hey guys, my name is Trina. In today's video, it's going to be a full face using only old favorites makeup that I recently loved in the past. When I found out this was one of the challenges that was floating around YouTube, I just had to do this challenge. So I did it. I gathered up old favorites, old makeup that I really love, and now let's do this because I know you guys want to see this. So if this is your first time here and you want to learn more about makeup, click the subscribe and the notification bell so you don't miss any new video. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the eyes. So for eye primer, my old favorite was the E.l.f. eye primer stick. This was it, and then when you open it, it's like this, like a concealer stick, but it's a primer stick by E.l.f. And then on the back, on here was for liner, so the sealed liner. So this I really love by E.l.f. I don't know if they still make it, so I'm gonna prime my lids with it right now. Okay, so now for eyeshadow palette, I've really loved the Too Faced Peanut Butter and Jelly palette. This palette is so adorable. It is so cute and it's small and it's great for traveling, and the best thing about it, these are it, and it comes with travel size shades. It's not the shade size or not big, they are small and they just perfect. Just really love it, and the names are adorable too. It says soft and sweet, rich and creamy, PB&J, extra creamy, peanut butter, peanut brittle, jelly, peanut butter cup, jammin', nuts about you. So to start off this look, I am going to use, let's see, I'm going to take this peanut butter shade for the base. So I'm gonna like set my entire lid with the base, the peanut butter shade. Let's zoom in. Okay, so next I'm going to take this shade right here that is called Nuts About You. This is a beautiful like burnt orange shade, so that's the shade I'm going to use next. And this, I'm just going to build it in the crease. Since it's the fall, I'm like all about brown looks now. More creating brown looks, more neutral looks. And later on, you're gonna see later on, I'm gonna try to do more like cranberry shade looks, since the holidays is about to come up soon. So we only have a few months till the end of the year, so I can't wait. Okay, so I'm taking the shader brush, and for the entire lid, I'm just literally gonna go crazy. I'm going to take this shade that is called Jammin'. It's a sparkly purple shade, so beautiful. mascara, I have the New York Color Angel Lash Big Bold Mascara. The mascara one is so fluffy. I love it so much. I used to love this so much. This was available at Rite Aid. I don't know if they still sell this New York Color brand. I just really love it. For primer, I really love the Maybelline Master Prime Blur and Smooth Primer. For foundation, I really love the Maybelline Fit Me foundation shade 230 Natural Buff. Now for concealer, I have the Itcosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer. This is full coverage and it's waterproof, anti-aging. To set my under eye powder, I used to love the Ofra Pressed Powder Oil Control Powder. This one, it was really good if you have like oily skin. For bronzer, I love the Pure Mineral Glow bronzer. This is the powder one and I absolutely used to love it so much. So pretty. For highlighter, I used to like the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Stick shade Light Up My High Biscuits. It was a stick combination. I mean, not stick highlighter. So I don't know why I like her look. It doesn't even show now, but this is what I used to use. For liquid lipstick, I used to love the Ulta Beauty Matte Lip Cream. They are so good. I don't know why nobody is using it. Such a beautiful and is matte. If you guys like matte liquid lipstick, please try the Ulta Beauty Matte Lip Cream. They are so amazing. They are so good and they're so affordable. I love it. I test many liquid lipstick and this one is great. It's very hydrating, matte, it's not sticky and nothing, so it doesn't make your lip dry. I definitely love it. You definitely have to check this out. This one's in the shade Tender. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like this channel for face using old favorites. If you like the products that I used to like, please give it a thumbs up. And please don't forget to subscribe. I upload new videos every Tuesday and Friday. I really don't want you guys to miss all the fun because I'm doing more first impression, more makeup tutorials, and morning routines, night routine. Please don't miss it. So I'll see you in my next video.